The basic and first step in the raw material store maintenance is receiving the raw materials and then inspecting the raw materials. So receiving the raw materials means unloading the raw materials in a suitable place in the raw material store, and then go for the inspection of raw materials and clean the raw materials containers or packs using the vacuum cleaner or a dry lint free cloth. Then physically verify the material and affix a quarantine label. Then record the observations in a physical verification record for the raw materials or physical verification record for packing materials. Storage of the raw materials. So based on the storage condition, the raw materials requires special storage temperature, that is usually between the 2 degrees to 8 degrees centigrade. Transfer it to the cold storage and maintain the daily records. If the material storage limit is below the 25 degrees centigrade, then store it in a designated raw material store area. The rejected materials must be shifted to a separate rejected storage area, and it is maintained in a lock and key system, and a logbook is also maintained. Then notify the purchasing department about the rejected materials. After dispensing, close the loose quantities tightly by using a nylon thread and return them to the original container. If the storage temperature exceeds the limit, then inform the maintenance for rectification. The rejected raw materials should be sent back to the supplier by following the instructions from the purchase department. If the destruction is necessary or required in the factory premises, then you should follow the SOPs. Storage of packing materials. Different packing materials has their own specific storage requirements. According to their requirement, the packing materials are supposed to be stored. After QC approval, store the printed labels product wise or item code wise in a respective cupboards under lock and key system. Printed paper packing materials. After getting the QC approval, segregate the printed paper packing material by item or lot wise and store it in a racks or pallets. Printed or plain aluminum foil or PVC or PVDC film. After getting the QC approval, store the plain or printed aluminum foil, PVC or PVDC film in a designated storage area.